Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to log into Google Flow step by step. Whether you're using Google Flow for the first time or returning to continue your AI video projects, this guide will help you log in quickly and easily. Let's begin. First, open your favorite web browser on your PC or laptop, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, go to the official Google Flow website. Wait a few seconds for the homepage to load completely. Once you're on the homepage, look for the asterisk sign in *** button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to continue. Next, you'll be taken to the Google sign-in page. Enter the email address associated with your Google account and click Next ***. Then enter your password and click Next * again. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete the verification using your phone or authentication method. After your identity is verified, you'll automatically be redirected to the Google Flow dashboard. Here you'll find your existing projects, recent activity, and the option to create new AI video projects. If this is your first time logging in, Google Flow may ask you to accept a few terms or permissions before you can continue. Simply review the information and click asterisk, accept ***, or continue ***. If you're having trouble logging in, first make sure you're using the correct Google account. You can also refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try opening Google Flow in a different browser. If the service is temporarily unavailable, wait a few minutes and try again. Once you're successfully logged in, you can start creating AI videos, manage your projects, edit prompts, and explore all of Google Flow's available features. That's all there is to logging into Google Flow. It's a quick and simple process, and once you're signed in, you're ready to start creating amazing AI-generated videos. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. See you in the next video.